not a mistake. Hurts when you talk that way. That way.
You've been working on your second EP.
Yeah.
And I suppose all the critics and stuff have been saying that it's a more sort of developed sound.
Yeah,
so
sure.
tell me a little bit about that.
Well, I started working with Whelan, who's in Sacred Animals. I started working with him in September to record Distrust, which I just released, and yeah, I've been playing with a full band, so I'm just trying to get into a kind of full band sound rather than the singer-songwriter kind of vibe that I was with before.
And how's that dynamic working then when you're on stage with the whole band?
It's like 10 times more fun.
You love it?
Because on your own, it's very kind of introverted and stuff.
Yes, so you let loose.
Yeah.
Is there going to be some crowd surfing going on?
Absolutely.
Jumping around the stage?
Yeah, it's still,
Matching outfits?
yeah, of course, all denim.
No, I can't be. Thought I could be with you. You, with you, with you, with you.
The EP, it's going to be released on the 28th of May.
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you feel about that? So you're unleashing it on the world.
Yeah, because there's quite there's quite a mix. I mean, Distrust is and another song, Enough, which I did in RT Arena. They're quite like rocky, I guess, and then the rest of it is like quite chilled. And there's songs that are a bit more like my last EP, and it's a nice mix. I think it's like more towards the direction that I want to head down.
Because I know I'm built to live alone. And I'll miss you. And I'll miss you. I'm not in love. No, I can't be. Thought I could be with you.
You're having a huge party
In Odessa, yeah,
and everybody's invited.
everyone's invited. It's a public event.
Yeah, I love that you're releasing it right before festival season. I feel like that was slightly tactical.
Oh, just slightly, yeah.
So you're performing Distrust for us, and that's the first single off the EP.
Yeah.
So talk to me a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's catchy, and I wrote it first out of the rest of the songs that are on the EP, so it seemed natural. It's the first song off the EP, so it seemed natural as well. I wrote it last year, and yeah, it's just kind of shows off the new sound a bit more.